Hey guys, breaking. The Supreme Court messed up again, y'all. The Supreme Court ruled 6-3 that the Biden administration can remove social media posts. They just violated the Constitution they're supposed to uphold. Wow, Judge Roberts, you're a joke. An absolute joke. The Supreme Court is also an absolute joke. I don't know what's going to happen with this immunity ruling. They're probably going to rule against Trump on that. What? And social media posts are protected by the First Amendment of the Constitution, the same Constitution that the Supreme Court is supposed to uphold. Wow, what a joke. Man, I've had some mixed feelings about the Supreme Court, including Judge Roberts, and I don't like Supreme Court Judge Roberts. I don't like him. Never will. He's a joke. And what happened to Kavanaugh? Amy Coney Barrett, what happened to her? Neil Gorsuch? Man, they're a bunch of letdowns. But again, the Supreme Court ruled 6-3 in favor of the Biden regime, taking down social media posts that they don't like because of the election. That's unconstitutional. Social media posts are protected by the First Amendment of the Constitution, Supreme Court. Maybe you forgot about that. Wow. I wouldn't be surprised if they rule against Trump on immunity, and Trump has 100% immunity. I've had some choice words for the Supreme Court. Really, I've had some choice words for these people. What happened to the Supreme Court? Their job is to uphold the Constitution. Really? Holy mackerel. That's scary. Now they can go after anybody on Facebook that writes any post against them. I'm gonna say it like it is on Facebook if Biden likes it or not. I'm sorry I hurt your feelings, Biden. You know? I say it like it is when it comes to politics on Facebook and on YouTube also. So you know what? Supreme Court, you're a joke. You're a disgrace. And you just violated the Constitution. The First Amendment says freedom of speech, freedom of expression, freedom of religion. I mean, wow. We're heading for a dangerous place in this country. I mean, it's like, so what are they going to do now? Send the FBI after people who write that they don't like their social media posts? This is getting disgusting. I hate censorship. Should never happen in America. But wow, what disgusting what the Supreme Court just did. We just crossed the Rubicon into a dangerous place. But again, the Supreme Court ruled 6-3 in favor of the Biden regime, saying that they can remove social media posts that they don't like because of the election. What a shame on the Supreme Court. The U.S. Supreme Court, that is supposed to uphold the Constitution. I thought, maybe I'm wrong, but they just violated the First Amendment. Social media posts are protected by the First Amendment of the Constitution. Freedom of speech, freedom of expression. Are they not? Are they not protected by the First Amendment? Yes, they are. So I am just like disgusted right now with the Supreme Court. And I'm very nervous about this ruling on immunity. And I want to say is Trump has 100% immunity against criminal prosecution. But the Supreme Court is going to stick their head up their rear end and say, no, he doesn't. Like they did right here. They stuck their head up their rear end in favor of the Biden regime, 6-3, saying that, oh, they can remove anybody's post that they don't like. Really? Man, this is getting disgusting. Wow. Man, shame on the Supreme Court, man. They screwed up again. And Justice Judge Roberts is a joke. I will always call him a joke. He's a disgrace. You always want to side with the libturds, the liberals, every single time. And man, what happened to Amy Coney Barrett? What happened to Kavanaugh? What happened to Neil Gorsuch? Wow. But again, guys, breaking, the Supreme Court ruled 6-3 in favor of the Biden regime and removing social media posts off of Facebook or off of social media because of the, quote, election. They're trying to shut down conservatives. See, they're trying to elect Joe Biden again. Not surprised. That's what they did in the 2020 election. The 2020 election was stolen. Was 100% stolen from President Trump and the American people. And Biden is not president. The actual president is President Donald J. Trump. He's the actual constitutional president. Now, Biden is a fake and a phony. Big time. And I will not accept the results of this election if it's stolen again by the Democrats. Nope. I will not accept the results. And I would not be surprised if they try to steal this election from the American people. And the American people are not going to stand for it. Make America great again, everybody. Look at my hat. Make America great again. Trump 2024. Make sure you vote for Trump, y'all. Vote for Trump.